Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reload your pedelec battery pack. This is a DYU bicycle and it's an electric bicycle. That means there is a battery pack installed, as you can see. The battery pack is on this area on the bicycle, and the engine is in the rear hub. So what's going on if the battery power is empty? You cycled so long for a long time, but someday it will be happen that the battery is low or there is no power more left in the battery itself. Then we can reload it by using an AC adapter. The AC adapter you can plug in easily into your standard electronic socket, and then you have a wire connection to your bicycle, for example, or you can remove it. So first step, we are looking how simple it is. The first step is, of course, we can reload this bicycle, this pedelec, directly on the go, directly on our bicycle. That means if you have a garage, for example, and there is the possibility to get access to electronic source, then you can reload the system directly on the bicycle. Really cool and easy. So how we perform this? We are looking on the right side of the vehicle, and then we rotate this cover up. Then we push the AC adapter into position. Job's done. If the reload process is done, you will see this on the LED on your AC adapter. If this is green, it's ready, it's full loaded. And then you can remove the AC adapter again, rotate back the rain cover onto the battery, and then you're back on the road again. Really easy, or yes, that is easy. This is the first thing how you can reload this, the DYU bicycle pedelec. The second thing is we can remove the battery. How we perform this? So let's make a rotation of this bicycle again here, and then we can look how we can disassemble the battery. It's not hard job, really. I promise, okay? Here it is. On the left side, you can see there's the eco pack. The battery pack is in this area. So, and there is a lock installed. And if we go with the keys to that lock here, to check the battery level, you can push over here and you can see how reloaded your battery is. But back to the keys. Here is a lock. Okay, we can push our key into it, and now it is on. You can make it off to make a secure parking position for the bike. But we are going to remove the battery. While we push down the key and rotate it left anti-clockwise, and then we can remove the key. So now the battery is unlocked, and this means we can remove it from the vehicle. Really cool. Let's perform this. But there is an obstacle in the area. How we perform this now? No prop. The DYU mechanics are thinking smart, of course. So we have a solution for this. Here on the saddle, there is a lever. This lever we have to push upward, and then we can rotate our saddle into an up position. The next step is here is a lever. Hold this and pull down. So here we are. Now the battery pack is removed from the pedelec. Here we can go for a walk, for example, or we can go into our flat, for example, or at your working area or something else, in our office, for example. And there we can reload the battery as well. So how we perform this, you can see it's a standalone version of the battery now. And we come with our AC adapter again and perform the same like before. Rotate up, get it in position. Now let's reload the system, the battery system. If the LED on the AC adapter is green, you can go back to the assembling mode. Here we are, it is full charged, job's done. Really cool, or? Yeah. Now let's make a reassembling of the battery. It is still reloaded, fully reloaded, and then we can install it back to the pedelec. There is an gliding area here, and there's a rail. The rail is on your pedelec, and the rail system, the rail leading system, is on the other side of the battery. So we know that this and this sticks together. Okay, here we are. We go and line this up, and then we can give the battery back in position. Easy, or I remove it again. Here you can see it comes out, and you can easily get it in a line and get it back in position. Locked. Here it is now. It is in position, and it is not locked, but it is steady locked. So to lock this system, we go back and come back with our keys. We are going to the off position. Check. Job's done. If you like to ride the bike, go to on position. And then you're ready to have fun with the bicycle again. Electronic powered. Of course, here, this thing you have to clap back and lock it again. So easy it is to replace, for example, to reload, for example, on the bicycle or not on the bicycle, your battery pack of your DYU pedelec. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!